So today I'll be showing you how to install Google Chrome browser on your Steam Deck. Now to do this, we'll need to go into desktop mode so that we can install Google Chrome, and then also we'll make Google Chrome available in the game mode on the Steam Deck. So first things first, let's go into power mode and switch to desktop mode. Now once you're in desktop mode, what you need to do is go to the discover icon, select it, click on it, and then once it opens, go to the search function and then bring up the keyboard by pressing Steam and X, and then type in Google Chrome. And then press enter, and then now you can hide the keyboard because Google Chrome has now appeared in search results. So you can either tap on install from right there, or you can open the Chrome page and tap on install from right here and allow Google Chrome to be installed. So all you have to do now is wait for the browser to be installed. As you can see, the progress is going on. And so once the installation is complete, you can actually go ahead and tap on that to open the page, and you can see it now says launch, and lo and behold, we can launch Google Chrome browser. Now, if you want to make this available in game mode on Steam, then what you want to do is go to the package manager, or rather the application launcher right in the corner there. Press that. Let me just quickly close this so it doesn't confuse you. So again, so application launcher, select it, and then go to all applications, and then scroll and find Google Chrome, which is now installed. There you go. So select it, or rather highlight it, and then right click on it. To right click, simply press the L2 button, also called the left trigger. So if you select it just like that, the right click menu appears, and from that right click menu, go ahead and select add to Steam. So make sure you select that, add to Steam, and it's going to be added to Steam. Give it a few seconds, and that's it. So now when we go back into game mode, let's just go back into game mode quickly. We're now inside game mode, and if you go to your library, you should be able to find Chrome there under the non-Steam games. So there's Chrome. Obviously, you can switch up the icon if you want to later, but Chrome is here, and you can launch it just like that, and you can use Chrome in game mode. So that's basically how you can add or install and set up Google Chrome on the Steam Deck. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.